Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine. How are you, Miss?
I'm also fine. So now which class? Who could tell me? Science class, right?
Yes.
It's science class. And today we're going to go to another new chapter. This is the universe. Who could tell me what is universe? You don't know?
We don't know.
So, in which planet do we live? Planet.
Earth.
Yes. And where does Earth live? Don't know?
We don't know.
Okay, you already saw I written here the universe. You
Yes.
saw?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm erasing it. I need to explain now. Okay. So, the universe. So, universe is a place where galaxy, stars, you know sun?
Yes.
Sun, all the solar system's 8 planets live. So, this is what? This is a solar system. Where does and this is the sun. And this is the sun.
Yes.
So here, who could tell me what are this around the sun?
Don't know.
These are called oval. Do you know what's oval? Oval is a like line.
Line. Circle.
Circle line. Look. Here, look. Around the sun, so many oval. Here is a planet. 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 Means around this oval, all the planets do circle. You know?
Yes.
And this oval, this sun, this planet, this everything is in the universe, including this oval, light, natural resource, light is also there. Where do they get this light? In the universe, in the universe, their sun, our sun. So the sun produces light to all the 8 planets. Our solar system. In our, how many planets are there in our solar system?
8.
Yes, 8 planets. And Earth, including Earth, our planet. We need sunlight. All the planets need sunlight. Sunlight.
Where is the position of Earth in the oval? In the
Our
circle?
Earth is the 3rd planet.
Third planet.
First is Mercury, Venus, then Earth, our planet Earth. So look, you see this Earth, our 3rd planet is Earth.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
3rd planet is Earth. Before Earth, it's what? Venus. What? Venus. Yes, Venus. Do you know Venus is the sister of Earth? Do you know? Look. You don't know that Venus is the sister of Earth? Look. Venus size would be this and Earth size would be this. So, their size is same, right?
Yes.
Their total size is same.
Yes.
And in some way, if you see, if you go to the space, with a rocket that you could see Earth and Venus almost look same. Almost. Not the like Venus is a hot planet. Venus is a hot planet, but still, in some reason, you will think that it looks like Earth in some reasons.
Why? What is the reasons?
I will not tell you in this class, but if you go in higher class, then I will tell you. But this is not your age to learn this.
Okay.
This is not your age, so I will not tell the reason in this class, but in top, high, large, big class, you will learn all this, everything. Okay?
Yes, miss.
So everything is in this whole universe. The sun, everything is in the universe. So where do we get this information? Who gives us this information?
Who? Books.
Books, yes, but where? And who write it? Who gets this all information and give to the earth, to the people? Who?
NASA.
Yes, NASA. And who could tell me what's NASA? Huh? Who could tell me what's NASA?
NASA.
NASA. Cannot tell?
International organization. That's organization collect information about the space.
Yes, very good. But in this class, in class 4, the word meaning of NASA will be international space institution. Space Okay, this is a very important, very important knowledge that you have to get. You know NASA, what is NASA? NASA, International Space Institution. What does it mean? Okay, I'm explaining it in details. NASA gives us all the information in space. How? You've seen rocket? Rocket goes up to the space and up to the space. So NASA's a rocket or something else, whatever, machine or something else, it flews everywhere, go everywhere. Sometimes they land on Venus, sometimes they land on Mars, sometimes they land on anywhere to get knowledge about the whole universe. So we get all this important note from NASA. Okay? So now we know what is NASA. NASA, International Space Institution. Easy? Done? So I will request all my beloved darling students to write this important note. International Space Institution, NASA. Everybody take your science book and write the copy and write this important note. Done? Okay. Now I'm going. So where I was. So NASA gives all the information to us, and we get all the information, and all this information we learn it in school. Okay. Now, who could tell me the planet's name? Who? Raise your hand. No one? Okay. First is Mercury. First is Mercury. Okay? And then what? Venus. Then Earth. Then Earth. And then what? Mars. Mars. Listen, it's not March. It's Mars. Mars. Look. M-A-R-S. Mars. Mars. Okay? Not March. And then what? Jupiter. Jupiter, okay? Jupiter, and then what? Saturn. Saturn. Saturn is a ring planet. You could call it a ring planet or Saturn. Okay? So I have no space here, that's why I'm going to the down. But actually the whole planets, what? Uranus, yes. Uranus. Neptune, right? Okay, let's learn the 8 planets. Learn about, at first we will read 8 times because there are 8 planets, that way we will run 8 times. Our first planet, Mercury, tell.
Mercury,
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. There will be in Saturn.
Uranus,
Neptune.
Neptune.
Again, Mercury,
Venus,
Earth,
Earth, Mars,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune.
Mercury,
Venus,
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Star,
Uranus,
Uranus, Neptune.
Another. Mercury,
Venus,
Earth,
Earth, Mars,
Jupiter,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Uranus,
Neptune.
Neptune.
Okay, now who could tell me the total 8 planets name? Wait. Total 8 planets name. Tell. Stand up, tell. I talked already. Tell. Mercury,
Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Good. Okay, now we will learn our first planet, Mercury. Mercury is the most smallest planet. You know, Mercury is the smallest planet.
Don't know.
Mercury is the closest planet to Sun, the smallest planet in the solar system, and what? And the most fastest planet. It spins through the Earth very fast. You know, very fast. Spins very fast. Venus.
Venus.
Venus. So, Venus is the most brightest planet in our solar system. The most brightest. After the sun and moon, Venus is the brightest planet. And also the hottest planet. Even Venus is the second planet. It's the most hottest planet. Very, very, very hot there. And you know, Venus don't have any ground. I mean, in Earth we have ground, soil. Venus had nothing. Then volcanoes, hot volcanoes, lavas, and hot, very hot. I mean, it's very hot. It doesn't have any like soil like in our planet. It has soil, but Venus has no soil. So if you go to Venus, then you will burned out. So never ever, even you have the chance to go to the space, don't go to this
Venus.
hot planet. And do you know Venus is I already told you, Venus is the sister of Earth. And our next planet is Earth. We already know about Earth, don't we? Right? But still I am in details. I will tell about a little bit about our beloved planet Earth. So we are very lucky. We are very lucky to stay. We are very lucky to born in this Earth. And we should be, and I am, just not me, all of you are, proud to call this Earth home. Earth is our home, our planet. So we will make dirt, we will litter our school, we will litter our everything. No, we should save this beautiful Earth, because no other planet has, no other planet
Is such
better than this Earth.
Earth. Yes.
This planet is the greatest planet, and we are blessed to born here. So our next planet, Mars. You know, Mars is a red planet, and it's very beautiful. I should say it's very beautiful. But after you hear what is the reason, why is it beautiful, why is it so sweet and chant our eyes, you will be shocked. Why? You know?
No.
Look. This is, I already told. There's an oval. I already told about oval. So this Mars, here is our sun, and here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, then is Mars. But and next planet was Jupiter, right? But here is Jupiter, but here middle between Mars and Jupiter, here is some what I could tell, like something, like rock, asteroids. It's just like a rock, but it's not rock, it's asteroids. We already learned on asteroids, right? Do we know what's asteroids? Okay, asteroids is just like a rock, but not simple rock. A big one, bigger than Earth. Not bigger than Earth. Some asteroids are small, and some one are very big. And this Mars do what? Sometimes it gives some by accident, these astronauts fall on Earth, and we learned of dinosaurs. You know what happened? So Mars. So this beautiful planet shoots astronauts to the Earth because I will not tell the reason because you would be angry to hear this reason. So the reason is if Mars is disappear, our Earth will be very lucky and very happy, and everybody could stay peacefully. Even it's very beautiful, but we should not love this Mars. It is very bad. It killed all the dinosaurs. With its powerful astronauts, it shoots on Earth, and then what? You know. Then if any of the astronauts fall on Earth, then human beings also will be disappeared, die like dinosaurs. So Mars is a very naughty planet. So I gave cross here, okay? And our next planet, the fourth, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth planet.
Jupiter.
Jupiter, yes. So Jupiter is the fifth planet. You know, Jupiter is the largest, biggest planet in our solar system. The first biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. It is very big, and you know Jupiter protects the Earth.
How?
You don't know?
No, don't know.
But in this class, in class 4, you cannot learn it. In
Okay.
next class, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So Jupiter is the largest planet, and Jupiter is the elder brother of Earth.
Okay.
Mean this whole planet are sisters and brothers. I should say, just like sisters and brothers, and that's why Jupiter protects the Earth, and this is his responsibility of a brother, and
Okay.
that's why Jupiter is very special
And responsible to the another planets. Okay.
to our Earth. So now, do you know, just like Venus, this planet doesn't have any salty ground. It doesn't have any ground. No soil, just gas, smokes, and there's huge amount of carbon dioxide, huge amount, and almost like 0 or 1-2% of oxygen.
So there
So Jupiter, so there's no way we can survive in Jupiter, okay? But this planet is the biggest, strongest planet.
Okay. Then next.
Then what? Saturn.
Saturn.
So Saturn is what? The second largest planet. The second largest planet is Saturn. And I already told you, we can tell it Saturn or ring planet, right?
Yes.
So why we call it a ring planet? What's the reason? Look, this is Saturn. Saturn is what? A ring planet. And why does it called a ring planet? You see, Saturn has so many rings.
Yes.
Saturn has so many rings, see?
Yes.
And these rings are made of tiny, tiny object.
Okay.
And it spins over Saturn, just like sun. And all the planets, what? Spins around it. Just like Saturn is same. But it's what? Tiny object like astronauts, etc. So now what? Uranus. And you know Saturn is the second largest planet. Okay?
Okay.
So Uranus is a very cold planet. Yes, Uranus. Uranus is a very cold planet. Okay. So Uranus, I have nothing to tell because its main thing it is that I will go to Neptune. Okay?
Yes.
Neptune and Uranus just like brothers. Neptune is also a cold planet. It is a cold planet. This is also a cold
planet.
So these two are just like brothers. So we have already completed this whole plan. We already learned about this whole. We learned this whole everything about these planets, and now what? Class finished, right?
Yes.
Class done. So I will request all my darling dear students to read and revise this planet's name, and in your science book the names of all the planets. See you in our next class. Bye.
Start.
If you like my this English science class, then don't forget